answer session. Participants can type their questions in the chat box, which will be answered by a resource person. I request the participants to mention your name and institution along with the questions in the chat box. I think we can have some questions, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
2 or 3 questions we can
Yes,
have.
ma'am. Yeah, sure. No problem.
I request the participants to mention your name and institution along with the questions in the chat box.
The first question asked by Deepali Malvekar is, she's from Kolhapur, RCSC. She's asking which software is best for storyboard. So for the graphical kind of e-learning modules, you can use PowerPoint, wherein on the slide you can mention all the necessary graphical information, and on the notes you can mention the graphical description, and you can also add a audio narration slide also. So this is very easy for you to create something with a PowerPoint. Or else simple e-learning modules you can use MS Office. And any other questions? Course to get trained in the module design. Malati Annamalayar, I don't know from which institution she is, but she has asked for a Government Arts College for men, Nandanam. Sorry, she is from Government Arts College, Nandanam. Malati ma'am. She has asked, is there any particular course to get trained in the module designing? Actually, e-learning module designing, the basic thing is you need to go through instructional designing course, and if you need to be professional enough, then you can also understand UI UX principles. That is going to be very helpful. And also interaction designing, there is another module. If you finish these 3 modules, you would be able to start designing your modules, e-learning modules. And Vidyalakshmi from LDC Madurai, she is asking which learning tool would be the best for teaching social sciences and humanities. The question is little confusing. I assume that she is asking for which e-learning tool, right? So if it is which e-learning tool would be best for social sciences and humanities, and she is concerned about the text-rich modules like social sciences and humanities. For this, you can use you can use any e-learning module, ma'am. But the only thing is reduce the text and include more graphics. And if you are talking about certain history, or if you're talking about certain research information, you can start using infographics or chart-based representation. So it would replace a lot of text. So it will be very crisp and clear and simple.
Thank you, sir. Yes, I think now we can wind up the session, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
If participants, anyone have the questions, I think you can mail to the webinar ID. We will mail the questions to you, sir, so that you can answer.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. And if I hope everyone had a wonderful session today, and then I'm very happy to see a lot of participants. And if you have any feedback to share with me, you can share it on the link which is provided on the screen, or I guess the organizer has also shared the link over the chat box, or you can scan. Yes, ma'am. You can also scan the QR code, so it will take directly to the feedback form. You can share your feedback there. Then it will be very helpful for us to evolve ourselves for the future presentations. Yeah. And thanks, Dr. Deepti, for arranging such a wonderful session. And thanks you, thank you, your team and my team also, to arranging it and then organizing it for the participants today. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
On behalf of Department of Business Administration, Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science for Women, I thank our resource person, Mr. Rajkumar Nataraj, for spending his valuable time with us through this webinar. Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful and informative session. I thank all the participants who attended the session today. We look forward for your participation in the second day of the webinar series tomorrow. Kindly fill the feedback form shared in the chat box, which will also be considered as the attendance for today's session. Tomorrow, we have the webinar session on the topic E-Teaching the Best Practices by Dr. Jayakesavan Veeraswamy, Director, Center of Computer Science, University of Texas, USA. Please note, tomorrow the session starts at 9 a.m. So request the participants to kindly log in 10 minutes before the session starts to avoid any technical issues. The link for joining the session will be shared through your mail. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you
all.
all. Thank you all the participants.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thanks a lot, ma'am. Yeah.